So good day everyone. Today we will discuss the case of Kusina ni Lola and a small but beloved business owned by Carlos and Marisa in Quezon City. So despite their loyal customer base and 5 years of operation, they face two surpassing challenges. First is managing complex tax obligation including VAT, business permit fees, income tax, and local government tax. Second is difficulty securing business loans due to incomplete financial documentation and a low of credit score. So, in this session, we will explore strategies to help Carlos and Marisa navigate their tax responsibilities, improve their credit worthiness, and take advantage of government programs to support their business growth. So, let's dive in. So, first, managing tax obligations effectively. In the first operation, let's address how Kusina ni Lola can manage its tax obligation while staying profitable. So, first and foremost, apply for BMBE certification. So, BMBE is the Barangay Micro Business Enterprises. So, Carlos and Marisa can apply this program under the Republic Act of 9178. This will exempt them from income tax and make them eligible for government support. So for example, many businesses in Quezon City have benefited from BMBA certification, reducing their tax burden and using those savings to expand operation. Second is operation for percentage tax instead of VAT. So if their annual gross receipts do not exceed to 3 million pesos, they can shift to percentage tax under the Section 116 of the National Internal Revenue Code or NIRC. If VAT is 12% on gross sales, and while percentage tax is only 3%. So by shifting to percentage tax, they can improve their cash flow. So third is to avail of tax amnesty program. So through the Tax Amnesty Act of or RA 11213, they can settle outstanding liabilities and avoid future penalties. So seeking assistance from a tax consultant can also simplify the filing process. So fourth is keep permits and taxes updated. So maintaining compliance with the local government requirements and renewing permits on time ensures they avoid unnecessary penalties. So next is the strategies to improve credit standing. So now, let's talk about Carlos and Marisa can enhance their credit standing to qualify for business loans. First is to maintain accurate financial records. So why do we keep this? Carlos and Marisa should use digital accounting platforms like QuickBooks or Wave to ensure what income, expenses, and taxes are recorded correctly. So for example, a bakery in Manila improved its credit standing after submitting audited financial reports, leading to a successful loan approval. So next is pay off existing obligations. So clearing outstanding debts and maintaining low debt to income ratio can significantly boost their credit score. So negotiating flexible repayment terms with creditors can also prevent future delinquencies. So third is to enroll in credit education's program. So Carlos and Marisa should consider financial literacy programs offered by Card Bank and the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or the BSP. So this program teach business owners how to manage their credit effectively. And the next and the fourth, apply for microloans to build a credit history. So they can explore microfinancing programs offered by Card SME Bank and Microfinance NGO Regulatory Council or MNRC to gradually build a positive credit profile. So now let's move forward in this segment to government programs and credit access. So fortunately, there are government programs and financial institutions that offer tax assistance and loan opportunities to small businesses like Kusina ni Lola. So let's explore for the few options. So DTI or Pondo ng Pagbabago at Pag-asenso P3 program. So the P3 program offers a low interest microloans ranging from 5,000 to 200,000. So interest rates are capped at 2.5% per month. so making this a viable option for Carlos and Marisa. Next is the Small Business Corporation or the SB Corp by CARES program. So the COVID-19 assistance to restart enterprises or CARES programs provide zero interest loans to micro and small enterprises. So programs provide zero interest loans to micro and small enterprises. So this program loans amount can go up to 500,000 depending on the size of the business. Next is the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP Credit Surety Fund CSF. So the CSF program offers guarantees to improve creditworthiness and provide collateral support. So this makes it easier for small businesses to secure loans from partner financial institutions. So next is the Field Guarantee or the Loan Guarantee Program. So Field Guarantees encourages banks to lend to MSMEs by reducing the risk through loan guarantees. So for example, a sari-sari store in Cebu was able to expand after securing a Field Guarantee backed loan. So next, let's move forward. So in this segment, we will talk about the impact of taxes and credit on small businesses growth. So finally, let's examine how taxes and credit access influence the growth of small businesses in the Philippines. So first, high taxes can stifle or stifle growth. Excessive tax obligations can limit businesses' ability to reinvest and expand operations. So without tax relief or exemptions, many small businesses delay hiring staff or upgrading equipment. Second, lack of credit prevents capital expansion. So when small businesses can access credit, they miss out on growth and opportunities such as opening new branches and expanding their product offerings. So third is financial institutions can drive to economic growth. So government-backed loans program and tax incentives encourage entrepreneurship and strengthen local economies. So by this, in a real-world impact, studies show that businesses with easier access to credits are 30% more likely to expand and hire additional workers. So next, in this segment, propose an action plan for Kusina ni Lola. So to summarize, here's the action plan for Carlos and Marisa. So step 1. Carlos and Marisa can apply for BMBE certification to gain an income tax exemption. In step 2, they could shift to a percentage tax to lower their tax burden. Step 3, they can utilize P3 or CARES loan programs for working capital. Step 4, maintain accurate financial records to improve credit scores. Step 5, participate in financial literacy program to enhance their financial management skills. So, in conclusion, the Kusina ni Lola can effectively manage their taxes, improve credit standing, and secure an affordable financing through the government programs and strategic planning. So by implementing these steps, they will not only overcome their financial challenges, but only position themselves for a long-term growth. So thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or need more details about these programs or about this topic, feel free to ask and see you next time.